everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first time I'm speaking in a video. I'm kind of nervous. Sometimes I talk too fast, or I stutter, or I have no words at all. So please bear with me. So for the first part, I'm gonna go flip through them and explain some things. So if you want to just see the quick flip through, you can go ahead and fast forward to the end. So when I do weeklies, I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know what the theme is, what the color is. I kind of just base it off what happened or like pictures. So this week, me and my boyfriend, we watched over his old dogs. They're so old. They're like babies. They needed care like day and night. So that's what I did. I did like a dog theme. For weekly spread outs, I like to use a lot of like daily stickers or daily stamps. They're usually smaller, so they fit in these little columns here, and they're so cute. There's so many things. Like I use the plain stamps. There's so many for so many different things. I love using those. And then Suatelier stickers, I used a couple of their dog stickers, and they're so cute. Some there totally went with the theme. And then for this week, I based it basically on this photo. I printed it out like, alright, well, black and white, grays, whatever. So I use more of the Suatelier stickers and stamps like I usually do. And I use a lot of washi tapes and stickers and just fill in little blanks here and there to fill in spaces. So this week, what did I do? Oh, I got Happy Mail from my best friend. And I watched Run BTS, some shows. Oh, Animal Crossing. Addiction. And then this is the last week here. I used greens and yellows. I've been using green and yellow a lot just because it's been so gloomy and like depressing. I just wanted colors that kind of brighten up my day. So on the first of the month, I had an order to deliver. It was like a Ninjago themed order. And so whenever I have orders to drop off, it's like out of town. So me and my boyfriend, we kind of make a day out of it. And it's usually a foodie day. We like to try new stuff. So I did that. I drew them out, right? And then I made some jjajangmyeon at night. And then I painted it in with watercolor and did some journaling. Oh, and then I made us take a walk at night, even though it was raining. I thought it was fun because I like the rain. Him, not so much. So all this is a dream log. Actually, 2 dream logs. Anyways, so a lot of writing, and then I used a lot of the very first BTS stickers I ever made. They alright. I'm trying to make them better. And then I ran out of room, so I had to add this in here. And ta-da! Another sticker. Actually, more stickers. And this was the first time I used doilies. I didn't think it, I mean, you can barely see it. Kind of layered it much here. And then, yeah, that's it for that. A lot of writing. And then on these days, like I said, I was dog sitting with my boyfriend. Oh, not really dog sitting. They're his dogs. It's just they need a lot of care. I just used stickers and some washi stickers. Yes, that's the same thing. But they're really thin. I like that. More dogs. I love dogs. I love animals. Anything animals and dogs, I will use. And then here is like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day. My niece and nephew, God, look at them. They're just like, oh, doesn't that just make you happy? And then me and my boyfriend watched Onward. This movie is so good. Like, man, I almost cried. But I use a lot of stamps in this one that I love. I love like galaxies and like constellations and moon, stars, just spacey stuff. So this is like a page I did. One of my best friend's grandma passed away, and it sucks that sometimes it takes that to bring people together. So a lot of people I haven't seen in so long, but it was really good to see them. And then these are my best friends here. And then on this side, I did a Minyungi birthday spread. I love the way it turned out. Like, I just printed out pictures and started cutting and moving things around. I didn't really know what I was gonna do, but sometimes that's when the best things are created, and I was just lucky. So it was really gloomy and rainy during this time, and I wanted to somehow put that in there. And I actually did a journal with me video, so if you want to see how I did this, go ahead and check that out. I'll link it in the description below. Don't let the gloom bring you down. I'm trying. This day I had nothing to write. I was just sitting there like, what am I gonna write today? So I didn't write anything. I just decided to do a washi sample page. This day was insane. It was crazy everywhere, and I kind of wanted to write down what was going on in the world that day. So this was the last day that me and my boyfriend were out and about for fun. It started getting crazy and we weren't allowed to go out anymore, and it was pretty sad. See, here's us at the train station saying bye. That's it. See you whenever. But so I bought these washi stickers. They're like date ones and they're so cute. I was like, oh, that's perfect because we go out. But now I can't use them because we don't go out. I found this on Twitter, or it could have been Instagram, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna make a spread out of this. So all this is just, I decided to write some words of wisdom from Namjoon because he always has something good to say. And then I kept it simple on this side. Look at that smile. Seriously? Anyways, I kept it simple. I just used some stickers and like a little piece of washi tape, and I journaled. And sometimes simple is just, it looks good. I actually got happy mail from my best friend. It was so surprising. Anyway, she sent me this letter and then some of the stickers she made. They're so cute. This is a drama I watched. It's called Abyss. And it was I was gonna write something and I was like, I don't know what to write. Because the only reason I watched it is because I like Park Bo Young and I watch anything that she's in. Maybe I'll go back and write something. I don't know. I was actually really nervous and kind of anxious and depressed, and I was like, what the heck am I gonna do? But you know, I'm in the same boat as a lot of people are. I was just like, well, just gotta make the best out of it. And that night I had my very first Zoom call with my cousins. There's a lot of us. That's not even all of us. And he bought the new Animal Crossing New Horizons. And oh my gosh, it was just addiction after that. Of course, those kind of games, I knew that was going to happen. So this is a spread of some K-dramas I just watched, and they are the dramas to watch. I love them. So this one is Itaewon Class. Even though it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, it was still good regardless. And then Kingdom 2. Oh, I mean, it's zombies, so I don't know if you're into that, but man, the story's good. So watch it. It's good. Watch them. I love the way this spread turned out. It was just, you know, us during the weekend out and about on Coconut Island. So that's the name of our island in Animal Crossing. We upgraded our houses, we upgraded the museum, we even went in the museum and looked around at everything and took pictures everywhere. It was like an actual day out, and that was our weekend. And then this side was a spread on, because I look forward to run BTS every week. It's every Tuesday. So this was my nephew's second birthday. He was supposed to have a party, but you know, that didn't happen. But that's okay, we still have fun. And I made him, I don't know if you can see, itty bitty little Daniel Tiger trolley cake. Oh, it's so cute. It was so small. And then I just had to use these pictures because because, I mean, come on. And then this whole spread was like my very first like full BTS spread in a really long time. I just saw these pictures all of a sudden on Instagram and I was like, what's that? I gotta figure out what that is. And then they were on Home Fest. James Gordon had a thing called Home Fest where like different artists got to perform from their homes, and it was pretty cool. And another episode of Run BTS, and this is from that Venny _Y from Twitter, and look how cute. Oh, and so this is the latest spread I did a journal with me video for, so check out my last video or check out the link. And this is the last spread of the month, and we found out that you can make your own tarantula island. I mean, it took a lot of work. You gotta clear out the whole island, you gotta set traps. I even tried out different traps and ended up figuring out that's the best trap. So I actually printed out this image, it's like a Google image, on some clear Onlinelabels sticker paper, and I just stuck it on there. I mean, it's creepy to some people, but I don't mind bugs either. And then I saw this picture, it's by Joan Biscuit. It's like, it describes my life right now. BTS and Animal Crossing, and I just had to use it. Oh, and then you just have to see this picture. This totally describes me and my boyfriend. Like, I'm like so excited, and he's like, what the hell? That's it for my flip through. I'm gonna go ahead and go back and flip through without talking. So if you're just coming in now, welcome. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.